Hey everybody, I just recorded a video and spent the last 11 minutes on mute without realizing it until I stopped the video. So we're going to re-record this and make it real quick. This is day 597 of my product hunt streak, and so I decided to start making videos, bring people along with me to hunt some products on Product Hunt. And so yeah, that's where we're at. So the videos will get better over time as I get more comfortable and don't do dumb stuff like record on mute the entire time and not realize it. So, all right, with that, let's just jump in. I am at number 26 real quick in the longest streaks leaderboard, and at 597, so number 26. Got a while before I can climb up, but that's okay. I'm still, from a consistency standpoint, it's something that I'm proud of. I think it's fun, and I'm glad that it's happening. Okay, so just to start and make it quick, I had already gone through these featured apps, and we did a few upvotes on some. Let me refresh this page. Yep, okay. So we had a few upvotes. I'm going to go over just a couple of my favorite ones just to make it a little bit quicker and not make the video any longer than it needs to be. Choppity was definitely my favorite one of the day so far. Let's refresh the page and see if they're still at number 6 or if they've gone up. So yeah, it's coming in at number 6, but it can find a clip of anything in a video, and you just feed it text. We'll just play this for a few minutes so you get the idea. So you can tell it, find the part where someone scores, you tell it exactly what you're looking for, and it'll find anything in the video. I'm going to give you some examples here.
Over here I've got a YouTube link open. It's the Switzerland-England match. I've copied that link, and I'm going to go back to projects and paste in that YouTube link to let Choppity analyze it. Then I'm going to use AI search to try and find the goals scored. All I need to do is go into the beautiful AI search and say find all parts with goals scored, and boom, look at that. It's not only found the goals, but it's also found that England here scored the first goal. Oh, look at this. Clip 2, England scores their second goal. Let's play. And here we go, and look at that, the goal is just about to go in again. How incredible is AI search? So you can see how powerful AI search from Choppity is. Then it doesn't stop there, because I can go ahead and create a project from a clip I like. So I'll click create project from clip 3. And boom, it's put the text there as a caption on the screen, and I can open this project up and edit if needed. Now obviously I can go ahead and edit this. I can add music in the background if I like. I can change the caption colors and animation, the text font, the dimensions, even correcting typos. I can do special secondary media if I want to add in B-roll, and I can add in visual effects as well if I like. I can zoom, for instance. I can move this along. So I'm happy with that clip. I can just download and straight away upload to wherever I like.
So yeah, I mean, obviously you see how fun that could be and powerful. You just, like I said, you just type, tell it what to find, chat with the video, and it finds it. So definitely got our upvote. It's again number 6. They say that there is on the website. Let me just click it again just to make sure I was right. On the website it says get a $50 discount. Find the code here. Check it out. Let's see. So they do link to this, and then I don't see where the actual promo code is. So I did ask, just to scroll through again. Yeah, I did ask where it is because I don't see it listed anywhere. But we'll see. If they reply to my comment, I'll just throw it in on X where I post this. And then the other thing that we were going to talk about is Weevil. So this is automate your prompt engineering and get the best prompts 50 times faster. So again, I think that with a lot of LLMs and AI in general, it's really about asking the right questions and how you ask. And so using kind of services like this, if you don't know what to ask about, or you don't know, if you're not a subject matter expert on what you're asking about, asking the right questions or getting better prompts will obviously get you better answers. So really cool for services like this. This is number 10. Look at the website real quick. It's a YC launch, which congratulations. Hope the best for them. And you can see here it works without a data set, and it keeps humans in the loop, which I think is, again, another highlight to it. So you're guiding it the whole way to help it know exactly what you're trying to do, feed in scores and tips to help Ape improve. Very cool, super cool idea. Let's look at pricing. So it's free. Optimize your first prompt with Ape, and then custom. You can, if you probably need more, white glove support. But yeah, I mean, you can start for free and check it out and see how it works. So really cool there. And then lastly, we've got this face swap AI. Create your face swaps within just a few clicks. So there's a free option, and then there's you can pay from there. But super cool. Obviously, anything that makes memes, I support. So super cool. I like it. That definitely got our upvote at number 12. And that's it. So the last video was 11 minutes long. This is a little bit quicker. And the videos will get better, like I said, as I get better at making them. But I just wanted to, I'm going to do something with this 597-day streak. And hopefully people enjoy this and find some value in it the way I do. And yeah, that's it. We'll see you for the next video. Thanks.